Be ready? Start. The NGT found merit in the contention of the appellants that the first respondent had the power to grant ex post facto clearance stop. However, it would have only prospective operation stop. The clearance could, however, be supported if the activity which was permitted was one which was contemplated under the 2011 notification stop. The tribunal went on to note that the storage facilities were not located in the Chennai port stop. In fact, it was on the basis that under paragraph 8 of the 2011 notification, storage of edible oil inter alia was permissible in the limits of a notified port stop. The attempt of the appellants to support the clearance with reference to the fact that under permitted activities in CRZ 1 storage of non-hazardous cargo including edible oil was permitted within the limits of a port and a distinction therefore existed between the words within and in did not find favor with the NGT stop. It was the contention of the appellants that being two different words and a meaningful interpretation being warranted in the case of Coastal Regulation Zone 1, the activity to be permitted had to be strictly within the limits of the port stop, both taking into account the difference in the words used as also the fact that Coastal Regulation Zone 2 contemplated a less harsh regime. The case of the appellants was that a purposeful interpretation would warrant the view that the storing of the edible oil in the Coastal Regulation Zone 2 area could be permitted even outside the limits of the port stop. It is this argument that failed. Stop. The NGT has found the impugned order of the first respondent illegal. Stop. The construction of the storage facility and the pipeline were directed to be removed. Stop. The appellant in the first appeal was directed to pay environmental compensation in a sum of rupees 25 lakhs. Stop. We may only elucidate that the appellant in the connected appeal had initially succeeded before the tribunal. Stop. However, it was after allowing a review petition which decision was not challenged and on hearing the appeal again that the present impugned order came to be passed. Stop. Noting that the appellant in the connected case was earlier visited with environmental compensation, no compensation was imposed on it. Stop. We heard learned senior counsel for the appellant in the first appeal and also the learned senior counsel. Stop.